Today we're going to talk to you about a lift chair and lift chair options. So there's lots of different lift chair options that are existing in the market. But here today we're going to talk to you about this Catnapper piece. It's called the Haywood, and the Haywood comes in a couple of different colors. First of all, a lift chair recliner does exactly that. It lifts you out of the chair. Why would anyone want a lift chair? Well, one is if you have a harder time getting up out of a chair, if you're older, you have issues with your legs, whatever it is, this just gives you a little bit of help to get out of your chair. Now, it works really slow, so you don't have to be worried that it's going to eject you out of the chair. That's not what it's meant to do. It's just meant to give you a little help. You can do it as much as you want or as little as you want, but I want to talk to you a little bit about the features in a lift chair. Now, if you spend any amount of time in your recliner, which a lot of us do, one of the things that's important in this one is it has a couple features that are really important. Number one is it has what we call power headrest. So that's these two buttons here on the side. There's lots of chairs now. Power headrest is pretty prevalent in the market. But in a lift chair, not all of them have it. But why it's important is what you'll notice is that as I recline the chair and I go back, if I'm reading or if I'm watching TV, whatever it is, sometimes people will put a pillow behind their head just to kind of recline. Well, the benefit of a headrest is that I can just recline it here and I can get it to the position I want. So if I'm watching TV or if I'm reading, rather than stick a pillow, I can just use this headrest. But again, it's all built into this chair that I have. Again, the other thing that goes into this lift chair that's so great is you have heat and you have massage. So as you spend time in the chair, it's kind of nice to be able to have different features and functions to keep you going rather than having to buy third-party pieces that go into the chair. This chair has all the features that you're going to need. So again, power headrest, lift, heat, massage, all of the things that you're going to want by spending quality time in your chair, whatever it is that you're doing. So as you're looking for a lift chair, your next recliner, this is one of the things to consider. And if you have any questions or you're not sure exactly what kind of chair you need, please contact us. We're at greatfurnituredeal.com. Our friendly staff will help you and is happy to get you into the right chair with all the features that you're going to need.